Hello, welcome to Jieneng Technology product show. In this video, we will introducing you the enhanced model of our LPG machine. This is the panel of the machine and the red button to start and this curve to adjust the wet and dry of the steam. Those working light to show you the state of the machine and this to show you the battery life of the machine. This is the 24-liter inside water tank. And the machine has the LPG room to let you place the LPG tank inside the machine. For this upgrade, our machine has 20 bar steam pressure when it overpressed and 18 bar steam pressure when it is a normal working. Below is the demo of the steam